welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Doing a tutorial about how to make aloe vera juice from aloe vera plant. So you are going to be needing the plant, some water, a knife, and some source of heat. Your aloe vera, your aloe vera leaf into pieces, then you are going to split the leaves so that you can get into the liquid substance. It looks like this. Your aloe vera into a sufuria or wherever place you are going to boil them. Then you are going to measure 1.5 cups of water. Then put your aloe vera on top of your source of heat or fire. After 15 minutes of boiling, your aloe vera is going to turn into brown. That means it is ready, and if you lick the water, it's going to be very bitter. So you're going to let it cool and sieve so that you can get the juice. Pour your aloe vera juice into your spray bottle, and after that you are good to use. You're going to use your juice for 3 days. After 3 days, it's going to lose its property. It's going to be less bitter, and after that it won't have properties to help your hair growth and shine. Spray on your hair. So I made a video on how to moisturize your hair using aloe vera juice, and people were asking me how I get my aloe vera juice from.